How to add Google Translate language. First open your Chrome browser. After then you also see top right corner 3 dot line. Tap on 3 dot line. Find setting. Tap on setting. Scroll down. Find this option language. Tap on language. When you tap on language, scroll down, you find this option advanced. Tap on this option advanced. When you tap on this option advanced, you also see top right corner search option. Tap on here and enter your language. After then select. Thanks for watching this video.